Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install the HFM application on your device, whether you are using a mobile device or your tablets or iPads. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in HFM and search. From the search results, look for the HFM online trading app from HF Markets Fintech Services Limited. Once you are inside this page, click on the Install or the Get button to start downloading the app. Authenticate whenever needed in order to get the app downloaded on your device. It'll take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Also, make sure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection for smooth installation. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. You can then go ahead and log in with your existing account or create a new one. So that's how you can easily get the HFM application on your smartphone. After signing up or logging in, you'll be ready to explore trading, check the markets, and manage your account all from your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.